Oh, yeah, you never do that.
Yeah.
Disrespectful to the booze. My father goes, you ever steal my booze or you ever fucking put water in it? Did it froze? It froze? Where was it? In the garage? Oh, shatter. How old were you? How old are you? 14?
Yeah.
Were you buzzed?
No, I've had a high alcohol problem for a long time. Like my 16th birthday, I got an entire thing of Jack Daniels. My grandfather said I wasn't all done.
Really?
So I had like to go to the camp.
He was trying to kill you.
Yeah. After, there was 12 of them. So the 9th and 10th one, I started getting. I'm like, whoa.
You don't even know him.
Worst thing I ever fucked up on.
Grain alcohol. Oh, moonshine. Real stuff, huh?
Well, the truck.
That's how the NASCAR started. Running moonshine.
He comes back from my graduation from this big jump like this. Yeah. I was cool. I had like 5.